Hello friends, welcome to my channel Proficient Learning Online. Today we will discuss about TestNG custom runner. Let us talk about Excel executor which implements I annotation transformer. In the constructor, we can define which test cases we want to select based on the custom logic. We add those test cases to a list variable. That list variable is used in transform method and we set the test cases as enable true or false based on it is available in the list or not. In TestNG.xml, we will add this listener under listener section. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.